Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in for an update on my Willys MB frame repair. I replaced the front frame rails with the 18-inch replacements. Unfortunately the originals were too frail to save, so everything I've taken off so far is laying underneath the frame there on the shed floor. As you can see, the Willys cross member has been replaced also. I made up this jig to help correctly position the replacement frame rails, and it helped to keep it all plumb. That was a big help. As you can see, I still need to weld the top shocky mounts onto there. Work in progress. So yeah, coming along fine. Also need to replace the battery and engine mount brackets on the right hand side there. I've removed all the shackle brackets off the frame because they were all worn out, so I'll chop those off. Yeah, so that's all the paraphernalia which has been chopped off so far. The mounting bracket, as you can see there, for the brake master cylinder has been mostly chopped off, so I have to replace that as well, make up something to go there. At least they left me something, I suppose. Yeah, so but that won't be the end of the world. That'll be reasonably easy. And of course I've also got to replace the pedal shaft bracket there as well. That will have to be cut off and a new one welded on. The gearbox support cross member was missing also when I got this frame, so I'll need to replace that, find another one, replace that as well. Oh yeah, I'm quite happy with the way it's coming up. And here's the chassis serial number. Not sure if you can see it there. I think it's MB 269155. So that's the original serial number chassis plate for this chassis, so it's nice to have that. So yeah, a bit more cleaning up to do around the place. Clean it up. This rear bumper has had an impact or two over the years. Looks like it's been welded there at some stage. And here it's got a, not sure if you can see it, but it's got an S shape in it here. And plus there's a little crack there. That's easy though. Easy to fix. Couple of cracks there. So other side's okay. So yeah. Looks like it's been welded up around that rivet at some stage. And a part's been added here. Or it's snapped off at some stage and been welded off. Looks like it's had. Trying to get that camera to focus. Yeah, it's had some impact or something here. So yeah, coming along quite well. And of course someone's packed it there with a cover on the outside, so I'll try and straighten all that. I'll drill the rivets out and straighten all that up. So yeah, coming along quite well. Quite happy, more than happy with the front rail, the way that's turned out. So yeah, come along okay. Anyway, quite enjoying the build, quite enjoying saving it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully I'll make another one soon. Okay, bye for now everyone.